In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Taco Bell coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Taco Bell coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Grab On. And as you can see right here, we have some deals that can give us some benefits and, discounts. So for example, let's say you want to get this one right here. All you need to do is just select this button where it says Get Deal. And for this one, there is no coupon code required. So all you need to do is just select right here this button where it says Go to Taco Bell website. And after that, you will be redirected to the website and the promotion will be applied automatically. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Worth Penny. And right here, we have some promo codes and some deals as well that we can use to get some discounts. So, for example, let's say you want to get this one right here with up to 35% of all orders, which is also a verified code. All you need to do is just tap right here where it says show code. And this is the promo code that you can simply copy and you can use this promo code on your next purchase to get a 35% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.